Hey everyone, welcome to OS Engineering. This is the fourth SolidWorks exercise for beginners, and today we'll be drawing this hinge over here. So let's get started. So usually I would just draw all these four sides on the front plane and sketch it like that, but today I'm gonna do it a different way. So I'm gonna click on top plane and click on sketch, and we're gonna draw a circle on the midpoint, and the circle is 14 in diameter, and an inner circle which is 12. Now we're going to use the corner rectangle feature. I'm going to start drawing a rectangle from this point over here, and the height is going to be 3, the length is going to be 45, and then we're going to trim off the excess lines that we don't need. So this line over here, this line, and this line, and this part of the circle as well. And we're going to go to features, and we're going to extrude it and click on mid plane over here, and then the length is going to be 130, and we're going to sketch on this face over here. So click on sketch. So we're going to start drawing these circles. So click on circles, and then we're just going to draw 2 circles over here. And right now the position doesn't matter because we're going to change it using the spot dimension. So from the center point of this circle and this edge, type in 10, and the center point of this circle and this edge, we're going to type in 15, and for the circle over here it's going to be 20 and 40. Click on OK. So for these 3 circles over here, we're gonna draw it by using the linear sketch pattern feature. So click on that, and then entities to pattern, click on these 2 circles, type in 1 over here and 3 over here. We'll change the direction. You can see the distance between this circle and this circle is 50, and the same for the circle above. So we're going to type in 50, click on OK, and we're just going to delete this circle over here, and then click on features and extruded cut. Just click on through all and click on OK. Now the holes have been formed. Now we're going to sketch on this face over here. So click on sketch, and then click on circle, and then type it in 40, click on OK, go to features again and then extrude it. Now we're gonna click on blind over here and type in 65, so it extrudes halfway through. Click on OK. Now you can see the bracket's almost done. So now you can see there's another circle on the hole, and that is a countersink hole. To do that, we're going to click on hole wizard and then click on countersink. Make sure it's on the socket and make sure the size is M6. Click on position, 3D sketch, on position and on the center point of the circles. Click on OK. Now we have to make the other part of the hinge, and you can see in the drawing it's the exact same, but the only difference is that it has an extra body over here. So for that, before we start with the second part, we're just going to save this, and then just click on this face over here, click on sketch, click on circle, and from the center point just type in 12, click on OK, click on features, and then I'm going to extrude it. Make sure it's on blind, click on the other direction, and then we're going to put it on 130.1. And the reason why we put 0.1 is because we're going to make a stopper on this face over here, and we have to make sure there's no zero thickness geometry. So click on OK. click on sketch, and I'm going to sketch on that face over there. Then click on circle, and from the center point and type in 14. Click on OK. Click on features, and then extrude it. I'm going to extrude it by 3. So now we're done with the second part of the hinge. Now we're going to save this, but we're going to do it as save as. I'll name it part 2. And we have to assemble this, so we're going to go on file and then going to click on make assembly from part. So click on the part 2 and then just place it over there. Click on OK. We'll go to the front plane. Then we're going to click on insert components and then click on browse. We're going to click on part 1. So now we have to change the orientation. So I'm going to click on the x-axis twice and twice on the y-axis as well. Then place it over here. Click OK. Now we're going to mate this. So click on this circle over here and click on mate. And then go on to mechanical and click on hinge. And click on, so this face has been selected, and then I'm going to click on this face. Now in this section, it's going to click on this face and this face, and then click on OK. So now we have assembled the hinge. I'm just going to go to the normal view and then see that we can move the hinge. You can see we can move the hinge around. So yeah, that's it. This is all we have for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.